Good day, good day, good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you. So these the ingredients: my black beans, parboiled rice, 2 cups of parboiled rice, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, liquid smoke, vinegar, bacon, bell pepper, garlic, onion. I have some bay leaf as well. And now we are getting ready to chop up the veggies, my onions, green pepper, and I like to mash my garlic. So here on the stove, I have my black beans boiling with a little bit of water, salt, bay leaves, onions, and green pepper. So while those cooking about an hour and a half, I'm gonna go ahead and start browning my veggies. So here I am browning the bacon that I chopped up in little pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to that, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it crisp up. Now it has crisp up. Look how beautiful that bacon is looking. I'm gonna start removing my bacon. So we are going to remove it and leave the oil in there. We're gonna use that for our veggies and our rice. Look how beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my onions and green pepper. And my fire, guys, is on medium low. Make sure your fire is on medium low. Let your veggies cook, marinate, do all those dance that they do. So now I'm gonna season my onions and pepper with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes on medium low. I also went ahead and added some bay leaves. And we're gonna let this cook kind of translucent before we add the garlic. I'm telling you guys, this Arroz Congris is so good. Congris rice, which is Cuban style black beans and rice, is delicious. It's delicious. So here it has gotten translucent. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my crushed garlic. Again, guys, on medium low. You don't want, especially your garlic, you don't want that to burn. So here I'm letting it cook for a few more minutes. And I'm adding about a tablespoon of that liquid smoke. You already know I love my liquid smoke. So you're gonna be cooking with me, get yourself some liquid smoke, guys. It's some delicious stuff. I like that extra flavor in my stuff. So here I'm letting it brown up again a few minutes. If I could bring the aroma to your kitchen right now, I'm telling you. Look at, you want that little brownness. So now at this point, I'm adding my parboiled rice. Again, I got 2 cups of parboiled rice on there. And I'm gonna stir it. I still have my fire at this point on medium low. And I'm gonna let my rice toast about 3 to 5 minutes before I add the water. So here it is toasting. So now I'm gonna start adding my liquid from my beans. So with the liquid, guys, you double the amount of the rice. So in this case, I got 2 cups of rice. I put 4 cups of that liquid in there. Whatever amount of rice you put, you double the water of that amount. So I'm adding the liquid, and I'm gonna start adding my beans. Arroz Congris. I'm telling you, this rice was so good you could eat it by itself. And you know those last pieces of bacon that you crisp up? When you get ready to eat this rice, you could just mix it in there and eat it. Oh my God, it was delicious. It was delicious. It was delicious, guys. Give this recipe a try. I promise you are going to love it. So here I am testing it, and I feel it needs a little bit more salt. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of more salt. And about a tablespoon of the white vinegar. That's it. Not much. All right. This is going to give, so you stir it. You put your fire at this time. You turn it up to medium high. Make sure you turn it on medium high at this point. And you're going to let this simmer down until the water is almost completely dried out. And now here it's almost dried out. I'm going to go ahead and turn it one time. Flatten it down. And cover it again and let it cook for some more minutes. As you can see, I'm frying it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it cook. Now I'm lowering my fire medium low. Make sure you lower your fire medium low, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. And this rice is almost done. I'm gonna show you how it looks close up, and then you let it cook about another 5 or 6 minutes until the rice is almost dried up. Guys, I appreciate you coming to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe. And please do not forget to hit the bell button. So as soon as I load videos, you get a notification so you can watch them. So here it's almost done, like I said. Arroz Congris. And you let it cook about another 5-7 minutes until your rice is completely dry. Have a great day. Enjoy.